Hi again, in this tutorial I will show you how to download Coursera Notes as a well-organized PDF document. Coursera is a worldwide online learning platform which offers you massive open online courses, specializations, and degrees. In the recent update of Coursera website, you are able to save screenshots of video lessons. Let's find out how to do that. Here is a video lesson of a Coursera course. Let's play it. You can see that on bottom of the video there is a button called Save Note. You can capture the current screen by clicking this button. When I click Save Note button, the captured notes are appearing on the right pane. Let's try to add once again. Click on Save Note button. Now I have captured 3 slides. On the course overview page, there you can click Notes to visit Notes page. Here you can find all the notes you saved in your course. Unfortunately, Coursera still does not provide a way to download notes as a PDF document. You can print this page as a PDF, but you cannot see the captured images clearly. Don't worry. I will show you how to make a better one. Go to this GitHub repository. You can find the link on the video description. Clone or download these files into your computer. Click on Download Zip button to download. I extracted the downloaded zip file in this demo folder. Double-click and open this folder. You can find 3 files here. In order to run main.py file you need Python and pip installed in your computer. Then you have to install fpdf Python library using this command. Let's open command prompt first. I copy this command. Paste it in command prompt and hit enter to install fpdf. As I have already installed it, I get this message. Before you run the main.py file you have to copy the source code of Coursera Notes page into source code text file. Go back to Coursera Notes page. Right-click. Then click on View Page Source. Select all by pressing Ctrl-A, press Ctrl-C to copy the source code. Open source code text file and paste the code by pressing Ctrl-V. Save and close the text file. Go back to command prompt and type Python main.py then hit enter. It will ask you the title, subtitle, and path. Let's give title as Algorithms and subtitle as My Notes. For the path you have to enter the absolute address where main.py file is located. You can simply find it by clicking on the address bar. This program will download images so you should have a working internet connection. This will take some time according to the number of notes you have. The PDF file is generated successfully. Let's open it. Alright friends. Your notes PDF is awesome. You can see images clearly in this document. You can customize your PDF by editing the main.py file. Hope you enjoyed this video.